Now, come to monthly. They bring your bill to you monthly. So it's not that. Now we are now live. Open up my webcam. So log in as admin now, so that I'll be able to see what we are doing on that. Log in as admin. Auntie, are you on system? On system, I log in as admin. I click lori home. I click log out. I click log out. I log in as admin, so that I'll be able to see it. Till me because only website let marry me ben. No, I shall log out. I bet. No, I click lori home. I click log out one side. I drop down. Click on log out. On system. Or system now. To our system only do buy. I want login as username. Open with as username. Open 2012 as password. The issue I'm believing is teachers. You don't do this one like that, from your own site. Or what you can do that you can live stream through your phone. You don't need to click any icon that. Just go to YouTube, their site. That's number one. Or number two that you can do. You can live stream on your system. If you want to live stream on your system, admin have to send the key to you. So there's nothing from the software that you need to do on the live stream. So the icon is not there for you from your own site for live stream or live streaming. So anybody that can go online now to a website, log in with OpenWins username, small letter true. Open 2012 as password. OPEWINS. OPE. Okay. Now, this is what I was saying the other time. If you want to show whatever you have on your laptop, you minimize all these ones. Go to your desktop. Open anything you want to show them on your desktop. Either the image of anything or whatever, or a particular whatever. Like for instance, now let me go to PowerPoint. Okay, this document. I think I have. Okay. For instance, in this place, if I want to use this one to teach them. The seed of life. The remaining was just editing. Even if they change the curriculum, there's no way they will change the curriculum that we can change in chemistry. That there are not the circuits and all this in physics. You just go online, get one or two things hard to it or remove from it. You work with your first term, second term, and third term. You understand? Because the other next session will be a repetition of what we have done first term in last session. I don't know, maybe you get what I'm trying to say. You work with just the first year of your typing lesson note. First term, second term, third term. Subsequent one, as long as you are here, you don't need to type anything. Everything will be in your database. You want to teach in a class. Another advantage, that's you have to be, because you have to be submitting every week or every day. Go through and approve it for you. You can just, even if, that's if you like. At times you might not even do adjust anything. Just submit back for them. That's number one. Number two, you may not need to be writing on the board. Once gone to the note of lesson, you project on the board like this. Okay, we work on that one. We will not be using projector. The projector is not easy to manage for the females. You understand? But if you put, I know what I'm saying. This is what I'll be doing now. We have this in so many schools that I know when it comes to ladies handling anything ICT. But if it's something like monitor.
Ladies are the one operating ICT.
But it's not a lady now. It's a man.
You did her in this school.
Then you say ladies are assisting. You say ladies are assisting. Okay. Now listen to me here. What we are going to do is this. Okay, for some of us that we have been to primary school before. So for some of us that we have been to primary school before and we have been to ICT. We have a flat screen something there, TV. That primary. I don't know, maybe you have been there before. For some of you have been there before, you are not talking about in school. That will the exact of it will have in each of the classes. Anytime that comes to the note of lesson to write on the board, just connect to the database, project it on the wall. Then more than 3 things will now be done here now. Number student will be able to see whatever on the board. Like this one now, there's one student will not be able to. That will say he did not see soil as SOIL. But if you wrote on the board Many students might not be able to see because of your handwriting on the board. Most of us are okay. Some years ago, I was helping somebody to. Some years ago, I was helping somebody to mark WAEC. Okay. And I came to. All of them in that center, they wrote EPP for egg. All of them. EPP for egg. Meaning that the teacher that wrote on board for he looks exactly like P. You understand? For that particular question, what I was looking for in all the answers, I would just be looking. Once I see EPP, I don't want to read any other thing again. Mark down. EPP, mark down. Every other thing around this, I don't want to know. EPP, mark down. And that you know what we will do for the whole center now. For some of us, when we write on the board like that, our students will just write, and most of them will not talk. But with this one, the body here, either you are sitting where Miss Pista is sitting or wherever, I will say you didn't see the soil type. There. Soil, that types of soil, types by text. You understand? Everyone will be able to see. That's number one. Number two, on many occasions, once you face the board and you are writing, most of them will be tagging at the back. You understand? I'm talking about students too. SS1, SS2, SS3. But once you want to face the back like it's not right. But with this one, there will be an affair for you to move around. Since you are not writing on the board, I think you any conscious that move around, make sure they are writing the logo. But what are you doing? You understand? The work, instead of writing the board, facing the board, you are facing them now. I think that one is not only that one, on many occasions, once you face the board, you are writing. I want to like baby or anything. At the block one. We can see you. I'm actually I should be back to connote you. You want to call me that board at Mashere? Only fee, can you get to come and go or something like that? So with this one, nobody will be able to say that, Miss Aoye, even if you say that, Miss Aoye, you just stand up and go to another place. You understand what I'm trying to say? Hello. Now, we will provide for you. Each class we have what we call, listen to me. Each class we have wireless mouse and wireless keyboard.
Wireless what?
Wireless and wireless keyboard attached to it. So anywhere you are standing, you can. I have a school now that are using this one. They have, how do you call it? This electric board, we call it slates. You can take it with you and write anywhere you are standing. You understand? You don't need to go to board and write on it. As you are writing anywhere you are standing, student will be able to be seen on the board. You understand? Just like a book, like very small like this. You hold it in your hand as teacher when you are teaching. Okay, X plus Y is equal to this one. You are writing anywhere, they will be seen on the board.
Wow.
Okay, schools are using it already. My data is good because I'm live streaming. I say you should go to manage. Click on e-learning. Once we are there, e-learning. It's still going. Everything has been already on live streaming.
Wow.
E-learning, when you click on e-learning to open, then you click on video as you want to play. Can you see it? Okay. Sherry, get them out of the phone. Convert phone is desktop. Now. Very, very simple. But only pass only about 3 steps. You have to look for a bowl, a very big bowl, empty bowl. Empty bowl. Are you getting me? No, me panic. You now look for clean water. Understand? Empty bowl. You fill it with clean water. But problem is pé omi ò gbọdọ̀ ní purity. Shebo. What I'm saying is what is looking at live there.
No.
Thing that you are looking at here now. Now, uncle, listen to me. Let's continue. Uncle, listen to me now.